Hello and welcome to the Sugar Vixen channel. My name is Tanisha and today we are here to bake some sweet treats together. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video so I can bring more delicious recipes to you. But today we are going to be making some raspberry and almond shortbread thumbprint cookies. And like always, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven. Today, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. All right, let's begin. The first thing that we're going to do is beat 1 cup of butter. So that's 2 sticks of butter and 2/3 cup of white sugar. Once you beat your softened butter and your sugar until it's creamy, you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of your almond extract. Next, you're going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So you're going to make sure you mix your dough until it all comes together. Then you're going to get your cookie scoop and you're going to scoop your cookies onto an ungreased baking pan. Okay, so after you scoop your dough out, put it on your baking sheet, you're going to get your raspberry jam. And what I usually do is use like a 1/2 teaspoon, one of those little spoons, and I scoop the jam into the middle of the cookie where I made my thumb imprint. And so that way I don't, overfill the cookies and they're more uniform when I use the teaspoons. But you can use whatever you like to fill your cookies with the raspberry jam, just right in the middle where you put your thumbprint. And then we will put them in our preheated oven for about 14 to 16 minutes. So we're going to make sure that they don't brown too much. They're kind of like a little golden brown at around the edges, but not too brown. Because when you take them out of the oven, they're going to, of course, cook on the baking sheet when you have them out and set ready to cool. All right, so let's see. All right, as our cookies are baking, I like to make our glaze, and we are only going to be using a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and a teaspoon or 2 of milk, depending on what consistency you would like your glaze to be. If you want it to be on a little thicker side, of course, you use less milk. Thinner, you're going to use a little bit more milk, but use 1/2 teaspoons